apali ka bentor kra. Haba jubab ya ka jingli, halor ka jingweng no jong ka BJP na ka sorkar, ulaong ya ka ne kamat la dep banrai haka state executive meeting, haka ba nak liang ka jong u, ula dep ru ban penpau, haki bor ba halor, nak ka daw, makin mi no nak sorkar MDA. Habai day bat ka election ar pulai, ba hek ulaong, ba ulalong bala penkre, haka ba kum u MLE. Hakini ki arp sansnam, ula traisitom na ka benta ki nong song snong jong ka bentor kra. Ula ben rabru daga baong, ba hadu menta kimpat jet mano ban long nongelam jong ka BJP na ka benta ki election ar pulai, bat kimpar rai kanungut kin bu kyrtong, hanrai ki kyrtong ki ba kaseng kan pynïeng kan duna ya kasau pongot.
BJP had earlier said they are preparing to pull out, waiting for centers note on it. What is the current happening status of it?
This is in the core committee meeting. In the state executive meeting, the decision already taken to pull out from the government. I also appeal to the central leader, once the core committee, which is in the presence of the National General Secretary, Sri Bel Santoshji, we have already decided to pull out from the government. This should not be delayed any further. That's all I have to tell you.
What are the reasons why you stuck with the coalition? NDP-led coalition. Suddenly you want to come out. What is the real reason? What are you telling the people? What is the reason?
The reasons will give you all in details. There's so many things are there, but now we have to give you with very authenticity details about whatever detail we are going to tell you.
Coming back to the medical college, who is from your family only, how do you see this?
See, in politics, there's no permanent friends and no permanent enemy. Why you take heart of this strategy adopted by other political party? If BJP also have that kind of opportunity to do the best, but not at the cost of the personal thing.
Are they projecting you as a leader in the election time?
Till now, we have not discussed this. That is depend on the national leadership. That is up to our leaders, how they will focus who to be the leader for Meghalaya BJP.
You will be putting up candidates in all the 60.
Where?
Candidates
From?
all the 60 seats.
Not 60 seats, I am doubtful, but minimum 40 seats we are going to contest for elections.
So they will not project any leader, state leader.
No, that leave it to the wisdom leadership, party leadership. They will take a call on this.
So do you see Congress candidate?
See, every candidates are working very hard. Don't be underestimate to any candidate. From which party they belong, from which constituency they are contesting. So that is, all the candidates are working very hard. Sure, should be, that's appreciated.
So coming to putting out, reply had said that BJP is used to all these threats. No? These are only political gimmicks, nothing more than that, and it will not happen.
See, the politics is a continuous process. It's like the seasons. Long you'll see in a day we have 4 seasons also. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it is windy, sometimes it is dry, sometimes it is sunny. So the politics also, it has happened like that. How should not be take it differently. This is depend on the timing. Right timing, we will give the correct information, the correct decisions.
So is it about pulling out?
When the core committee has taken the decisions, when the state executive of the BJP Meghalaya already taken decisions, why has to be doubtful? Situation is very clear, very, very clear and very loud. The sitting MLA for the last 25 years been working for the people of the constituency, and now also aggressively, very hard are working. That is very clear. We are working for the people of Pantharong constituency.
So the NPP has hit you where it hurts the most by